Hello friends, today we're going to talk about the roundabout. Okay, this roundabout with the two lanes. Okay, if you are going to straight or right, you can see the green car. You have to be in right track. You have to use the signal. Make sure there's no one from the left, and then you can move to the right, and you can move to straight. This is in the right. Okay, but if you are going to the left or U-turn or also to the straight, if you are on the left line, example, okay, of course you need to check there's no vehicle from the left, then you have to be in the left track. And then if you are going to the left in the middle of the roundabout, you need to make signal to the right, and you have to be in the left side, left track. After a few seconds, make sure there's no car from right side, and you can change your line to the right. But if you are going straight, okay, you are here in the left, example, you will take left line, and then you have to change your signal to the right, and then you have to be in the left track, and then you have to change your line after a few seconds when you are making sure there is no vehicles coming from the right side. Okay, this roundabout with two lines. And if you want to go to U-turn, you have to be in the left, of course, and take left track, full U-turn. When you reach here, change your signal to the right, and you have to be in the left here. After a few seconds, make sure there is no one from the right side, and you can change your line to the right. Okay friends, so let's talk about the roundabout with the three lines. 1, 2, 3. Example, you are going to straight, or you want to go to the left, right, but you have to be in the right track. The first one, this one with the yellow color key, yellow car. Make sure there's no vehicle coming from the left, and you can enter the roundabout with the signal, of course, to exit from here to the right. If you are going to straight, you have to be in the right track also, but you need to use signal to the right. Okay, and then you can exit the roundabout. For straight, if you are in center, because three lines, right, you have to be in center line. Okay, the red car, okay, center line. You need to first use signal to the right. Okay, when you are exiting the roundabout, you have to be in the left, and then you can change your line to the right. But for U-turn and left, okay, with the blue line, you have to be in the left. Make sure there's no vehicle coming from left, and you can use signal to the left. You have to be in left track here, and then continue driving. When you reach near to the exit, you need to change your signal to the right, and then keep driving. After a few seconds, change your line from the left to the right, but make sure there is no vehicle coming from the right side. Don't be in a hurry. For U-turn, it's same thing. You have to be in the left, the blue line. Okay, continue drive, U-turn. Before you are exiting, near to the exiting, you need to change your signal to the right, and then you have to be in the left line. Then after a few seconds, make sure there's no vehicle, and then you can change your line to the right. All right, thank you. But right now we didn't have roundabout with the three lines actually, except there's one in Muscat, the big one roundabout, the Awakening Tower. I think you know Al Sahwa Tower or Brick Sahwa. There's three lines with that roundabout, yes. But in Muscat right now we didn't have, only maybe two lanes or one lanes like that, because we have now, right now we have signal, traffic signals, so it's okay. But be careful when you are going to the roundabout. You will find some, there are some drivers, they are changing the line, but you have to be careful. Crazy people, Sometimes you saw them in the right track, but after that they change the line. Suddenly they change the line.